Welcome back to Small Bee Acres. Well, today we're going to be tilling up a little piece of the grass around the garden. We want to plant some asparagus. It's supposed to come back year after year, so got my trusty old $50 tiller that I bought at a yard sale. It has no speed except high speed. So once we get going, you have to come quickly to follow me in. But first, got to put in some gasoline, give us a bit of a start. Nope. All done in the past. The ones that survive, I'll get them next time.
No, like to the right, close to the shed.
No, there's a piece of plywood there.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here we go. Put on some earplugs. It's going to be loud if I do that. What? Okay, as you can see now, there's a lot more organic matter in there. Looks so nice. But I'm not quite done yet. I'm going to put some wood chips in there too. Didn't like it that I was watching you? Weirdo.
I don't want them to go to waste.
So what are you doing here?
I'm planting some more onions. If you look over there, the very first plants in this row was onion bulbs, planted from onion bulbs. And they're doing so well. And that, if they grow into really good onions, sorry. So if those grow into really nice onions that we can dry over winter, or dry at the end of summer, and then actually have onions all winter, that would be great. So I asked Jake to bring me some onion bulbs so we could plant some more. And when Jake buys, Jake doesn't buy a little bit. He brought me 2 full bags. That's like, well, I don't know. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is 30 onions right here. And I've not even half the bag.
They were 75% off, so you had to buy 2.
So, I'm debating if maybe I'll just plant 1 bag, and I don't know if you can save them for the following year. We'll find out. So it says 1 inch deep and 4 inches apart. So I'm guesstimating. I'm going to shove them in deeper. I just need to know where they are before I start doing that, otherwise I can't see where I'm planting them.
Very nice. I'm going back to tilling.
Sounds good.
Not a lot of organic matter in the dirt. So we're going to put some nice compost, put some wood chips, see where the chips may fall. All the asparagus is going to want to live here. What? There's my coffee. Wouldn't have thought I left the coffee there. Should I make it wider or is this good?
I'll think wider. We just need to be able to run the mower on this side.
Forget that, I'm not shoveling them all. I'm gonna need some more wood chips. There, that was a plant. I'd want to live there. That looks pretty good. Ready for the asparagus.
Oh, this is all 5 plants. So we want to plant, is it on? So we want to plant asparagus. And so we bought some plants from PD Mart, and it says you have to dig a deep trench, really wide, build little mounds to put them on. So I'm trying to figure out how one would plant them. There's a rubber band over it. Trying not to break it. And there's 5 plants in each package. One there. One here.
So what does it mean by a mound? A mound. You're supposed to soak these first?
It didn't say. It says soak after planting. But are we going to break them? Is that what you're thinking?
for his stomach.
Oh,
Hey, I was
I'm
working really hard for
sorry. This one didn't have one yet? Made me another mound, did you? Alright, so now 2 or 3 inches.
Okay, let's bury them things.
Okay, I did it on purpose. Why not rocks?
I don't want rocks in my garden. This isn't a rock garden.
Yeah.
Have to put the tiller away yet. Thanks everyone for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
And we'll see you again next time at Small Bee Acres. God bless.
God bless.